I felt like my car was on railroad tracks, and I was just headed straight for the wreck. Like there was nothing I could do, and I've been doing this for a long time, and you know, I feel like I've always been, you know, able to miss wrecks, especially from that far back, and yeah, I watched the replay, and I feel like an idiot even being involved in the wreck, but there was honestly nothing I could do. My car was on ice. And when you watch the replay, it looks like I'm going way too fast, and I am, because my car wouldn't slow down. I had no grip. And I assume that when Danica's car blasted the outside wall, that it must have knocked the radiator and oil and stuff and got it all in the outside groove, and it run down the racetrack, and I was in it. So yeah, that's how I ended up in the wreck, and I knew it was coming. I saw it. I braced for the wreck. And immediately when I hit Joey's car, I felt pain in my back. It felt like somebody stuck a knife in my back. And then I realized that my car was airborne because I could see the asphalt. And when it came back down, it felt like somebody took that knife and just twisted it up in my back. So I don't know. I've met with NASCAR, and obviously I've met with a lot of doctors, and I don't know what exactly caused the you know, the fracture in my back. I don't know if it's the frontal impact or the vertical. Both were big impacts, but nonetheless, I was in the wreck, and I broke my back.